Assalamualaikum. I'm so glad you are here. So today I'm going to show you how I painted this particular piece. Okay, so let's begin. First, we'll paint the background. Take your round brush and start painting with me. Next, we'll lightly sketch the ayah. It's light, hence you can't see it. Now we'll start writing the verse using paint. This part takes the most focus. This ayah gives us a message that Allah is always with us, in every place, at every moment. He sees what we go through, He hears our silent prayers, and He knows what's in our hearts, even when no one else does. From now, this ayah has become my favorite one. It tells that we are never alone. Okay, now the last step is to add the translation. And we are done. It turned out so much pretty. I really hope this reminded you even a little bit that you are never alone. Thank you so much for watching, and inshallah I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.